Hello everyone, welcome to Kids Study Hub. In today's video we are going to see the differences between the consonant blends and digraphs. We have already seen in detail about the blends and digraphs in our previous videos. So in this video we'll be just focusing on the main difference between blends and digraphs. Both blends and digraphs are letter combinations that are commonly seen in words. Blends may contain two or more consonants, but digraphs contain only two letters. In blends, each consonant in the blend retain their sound and they blend together when they come in a word. Okay, but you still hear the sounds of both the consonants when we sound out the blend. But in digraph, we do not hear the individual sound of the consonants. What we hear is the new unique sound that the digraph makes. Let's take an example. Look at the word fast. It has the blend st at the end. In the word fast, you can hear the sound of S and T distinctly, separately. Hence, ST is a blend, as we can hear the individual sound of S and T, but they are blended together when you pronounce fast. Okay, when you pronounce the word fast. But in digraph, you cannot hear the sound of the consonant. See, let's take the example chair. Here you cannot hear the sound of C or H. They together, C and H together make the sound ch. So this is the main difference between blends and digraphs. In blends, you can hear the sound of each consonant, but they blend together when coming in a word. In digraph, it is a single unique sound that is produced by both the consonants together. In the word flower, we hear the sound of F and L. So it is a blend because in flower, because we hear the sound of both the consonant F and L, so it is a blend. Now take the letter 3. Here we don't hear the sound of T or H. Okay, they make a new sound th. So it is a digraph. TH is a digraph because we don't hear the sound of T and H. Instead we hear a new sound. Whistle. Here we don't hear the sound of W and H separately. Together the sound is W. So it is a digraph. It's not a blend. Draw. Here you hear the sound of D and R separately. So it is a blend. It is a blend. Shape. Here we don't hear the sound of H. Okay, so S and H together make a new sound, shape. So it is a digraph. Spider. Here we hear the sound of S and P separately. So it is a blend.